made it. Now I done grew around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, back door bigger day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels, some people want to kill their sorrows.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to remove the kinemaster's watermark when you export your projects into videos. First, you need to open the link in the description with your phone and use your Safari to open it. Install the app. The app will need your permissions to install profile within the phone. Don't worry, it won't harm your phone. After that, you go back to home, open the app. Then you click the search tab. Type the app you wanted, this time kinemaster. For this to install, you need to register first on the website. I'll put the link on the description. After you're done with the sign in, you can install the app. It will be directly downloaded to your home screen, just like this. Wait until it's finished. I'm going to speed up the speeds. Okay, it's done installing. You can't open it though, you need to sign it first. First thing, you need to remember the text within the red square. Go to settings, to the general. Scroll down, look for profiles and device management. And look for the text you remembered within the red square before. Click it and then trust. Then trust again. So it's done. You can open it. Press thank you and it will direct you to a sign-in screen. Use the sign-in ID and password when you register before. Fill it in and then sign in. Tap the pop-up card. There will be an ads, 2 of them, every time you open the app for the first time after you swipe it from your current app. Then we can start our project. This time I'll choose 16:9 aspect ratio. Add the media, this time my intro. Export, choose the quality, this time I'm lowering the quality to make it faster. Then export. Let's see. The watermark is gone now. That's all for today. I'll hook you up for a jailbroken one some other time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.